Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Welcome back guys. And today is lunchtime now guys, so I'm going to make some lunch for me and my sister and her daughter. So here I'm going to make sardine and pumpkin rice today guys. So here I have my pumpkin, I'm going to cut them up and start cooking them. And then I put my rice inside. And these are my seasoning for my sardines. I'm going to use sardines guys. Now I'm going to start peeling my... And these pumpkins, I bring them from Jamaica guys. I'm the one who planted back home. Last year, September, I planted them. And this year I went down there and I could bring back pumpkin here guys. So I'm going to peel them and cut them up now guys. And I'll show you what step by step what I'm doing, okay? So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I peel my pumpkin and I cut it up. I have 2 cups. So I'm going to add it to my pot with water. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, so my pumpkin is cooking for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna add some seasoning. I have 1 stalk of green onion and garlic in this. So I'm gonna add it. Season my pumpkin. And I'm gonna add half an onion. Tastes nice, so I'm adding half an onion to it. I'm gonna add a little coconut milk powder. This will give it that flavor, you know. So in 5 minutes I'm gonna add my rice and add some coconut powder. I'm gonna add some of this thing just to give it some flavor. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. So let's take out the... Okay guys, I'm going to add a teaspoon of the milk, coconut milk. Not too much milk in there, I'm just going to throw a little bit in there. I'm going to stir it up. And now I'm going to add my rice. I washed the rice already guys. Pumpkin, my seasoned pumpkin rice. I'm gonna stir it up. onion over here and a tomato. And my garlic is all the way over here. So I'm gonna add my garlic after. So now guys, I'm gonna add my garlic. here to help me eat have lunch with me. Have my pumpkin rice and my sardine for lunch. I wish you guys were there, or you could pass by and get some. Guys. I'm going to show you a finished product after. I'm going to make a plate. I'm going to show you right. Show it to you. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to add my green onions. Guys, so stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is our finished product of our pumpkin rice and sardine, guys. So this is our lunch. This is for my niece. She's gonna have this, and I'm gonna share for me and my sister after. So remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please, and tell me where you're watching us from, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.